Hey everyone! Welcome back to English.HUMANITYUAPD.com. If you want to level up your English for online chatting, whether for friends, work, or school, you're in the right place. Today, I'm giving you a free preview of our complete 28-day English for online chats and messages course. Online chats are everywhere. WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, forums, professional chats, and good English communication matters more than ever. Whether you're writing messages for remote work, online learning, or just everyday conversations, the way you chat reflects your confidence and clarity. In this 28-day program, you'll master essential online chat phrases, common abbreviations like LOL, BRB, and FYI, how to use emojis the right way, tone and context for formal and casual chats, vocabulary building, etiquette for respectful messaging, and so much more. We'll also walk through common chat platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, Reddit, Instagram, and show you how to communicate effectively on each. So whether you're messaging your classmates, chatting at work, or writing replies in an online forum, you'll know exactly what to say. Let's start with the basics of chat English. Say hi or hey. Self-introductions like I'm Sarah, nice to meet you. Casual questions like how's your day going? Abbreviations save time and help you write faster. And emojis help show emotion. A thumbs up means agreement, while means funny. But we also talk about using them appropriately in professional chats. Good chat etiquette makes conversations smoother. Always respect privacy, avoid all caps, be polite and clear, and reply thoughtfully. Chat skills improve best with practice. Join groups, write in English daily, or even use language exchange apps to build confidence. If you're ready to become a confident English chatter, no matter the messaging platform, join our 28-day free course at english.humanityyuapd.com. It's completely free and perfect for beginners and intermediate learners alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.